Hello.
Hello, how are
Hi.
you?
I am good. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Nice to meet you. My name's Rebecca and I'm from Ireland.
Yeah.
So why are you learning English?
Uh, just for personality development.
Okay. So for work or for traveling, anything like that?
Maybe in future I think.
Okay. So for right now, it's just for fun.
Yeah, because as soon as I am learning English, it feels very good to me, and I am really enjoying everything, whatever it is. If I see someone speaking English, so I understanding. And whenever I see any movies, is not my native language, so I can see it with the English subtitle. So I really enjoy everything.
Oh, nice. That's good. So what do you do? What is your job?
I am doing nothing. I am just learning English. I have completed my post graduation with English. So after that, I am just practicing because if I think that if I am not will be fluent, then people will reject me. So it will feel little bit embarrassing. So that's why I thought that we should work on our communication skill first of all.
Okay. So
Yeah,
at the moment you're not working?
yeah.
No. Okay.
I don't.
So what are your hobbies?
I don't have much hobbies. Just work out. I do every day, and I don't skip at any cost. And I just see. I try to learn something in English because if I watch anything on YouTube, so I watch with the subtitle, and I like watching English news, English newspaper, and yeah, and I like to be with the nature sometime whenever I feel tired for doing something. So I walk in uh, where is very peaceful environment, and yeah, that's it.
Nice. Okay. So said you like to work out. Do you go to the gym?
Not I do it on my home.
At home. Okay.
Yeah,
And do you read or watch movies or TV?
I watch movies on TVs and most of time I spend on just mobile because on the TV if you don't like the other like that's when you feel uncomfortable with that. Most of time I just keep on watching on mobile everything.
So what's your favorite type of movie? What's your favorite genre?
Genre it's romantic action movies and yeah love stories I like most because it feels interesting to me and when I like this thing so it feel interesting, don't feel bored. So yeah, I like.
And kind of movies. And so what is your favorite movie?
I have seen lots of movie, and so it's very hard to choose anyone.
Hmm.
So I can't say about any favorite movies.
I
But
can tell you I can tell you mine if you like.
yeah, recently in South India there is a film RRR, and it has won Oscar award, and its song also has won lots of big award. So recently I seen RRR and it was very interesting
Hmm.
because in this film I saw everything: action, drama, stories, and nationality as well. So I liked it.
Nice. What's it
So
called? Or RRR? Is it like
ha,
the The letters or?
Yeah, it's a movie name Triple R.
Ah, yeah, I see it. Oh, it was just out last year. Nice. I'll check it out.
Okay, so tell me
Mhm.
something about yourself if you would like.
Sure, yeah. Well, my favorite movie is Interstellar. Have you ever seen that?
Okay,
It's like
so you can write it. I will find out.
Interstellar.
Yeah.
It's a movie about space, being in outer space.
Yeah. So are you from Ireland?
Yeah,
So tell
yeah.
me something interesting about your country.
Hmm. In what sense?
Since like the thing where people go for roaming and they, what is famous for your country? I just want to know.
Oh, I get you. Okay. Well, it's famous for Guinness, you know, the beer, Guinness. And it's famous for St. Patrick's Day. Have you ever seen a St. Patrick's Day parade?
Yeah. So I think Ireland is not that much big as
No,
comparison of any other countries.
it's a pretty small country. Yeah. Yeah, it's tiny. Yeah. It's an island and it's pretty small, but I live in Portugal at the moment, so I don't live there right now.
Okay.
You know,
So yeah.
you know Portugal?
Yeah. Every day I listen about Portugal.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
because on cambly I have seen lots of people from Portugal.
Ah, okay. There's a lot of people living in Portugal. Yeah, it's a lovely country.
Yeah.
Nice. Have you ever traveled anywhere outside of India?
No, never.
Never. No. And what would you recommend to someone to go to in India if they were traveling there?
In India, uh, in where I live currently in Uttar Pradesh, is based on the northern part of India. So in Uttar Pradesh, so many people come from saying Taj Mahal, which is very famous globally, and
Yeah.
in same state there is a lot of holy things, and in Uttar Pradesh there is after 12 years the fair was famous. Their name is Kumbh Mela,
Okay.
and in the Kumbh there is I think 25 lakh people comes, and you can see it through the space.
Okay.
So
Cool.
yeah, and there is a lot of thing in India, and you can visit Uttarakhand as well, where you will find like Ireland. There is a lot of beaches and mountains
Oh,
and
nice.
many rivers you can see, and also as well as there is a lot of pilgrimage things where many people come. Yeah,
Nice. So lots to do and see. Nice.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, would you like to give me some tips for going fluent?
For becoming more fluent. How long have you been on Cambly?
Uh, on Cambly, I have been on Cambly just for a month, but I think my English is getting fluent day by day.
Okay.
Yeah,
So so have you ever been on Cambly before? Before lockdown?
yeah. Before 2 years during lockdown, I was talking on Cambly.
And you found it good? You find you're improving?
Yeah, absolutely. That's why I Recently, I'm talking again
Mm.
because it was a very good experience.
What do you like to do, or what do you usually do with tutors on here? Do you do the lessons in the library, or
Yeah, if any tutor ask me what would you like to do today, if you would like to listen, then I agree for listen. And if he just talk, then I talk. It's
Mm.
depend on my tutor, but mostly I do just conversation like this.
Yeah, yeah, I think this is good to do because, yeah, it seems like you are quite good at speaking English. You know, you can have a conversation. It's not very staggered, which is good. So probably having conversations is good for you. Yeah, at the moment to try and get the listening and the speaking. Yeah, and not worry so much about the lessons. Yeah, if that's how you feel.
Yeah, and in the lesson sometimes we feel little bit problem that if they send something and I can't see and they moving their slides and it not happens, so it will feel little bit awkward that time if because they think that this slide has been changed, but I see the same slide, so it
Oh,
very
okay.
hard to reply. Yeah.
Ah. And do you ever use Engu with a tutor? You know, Engu Daily News?
No,
No?
I didn't.
I'll show you it so you can see it. It's really good. It's an English website for news articles, but they're turned into lessons. So I'll just share my screen with you now. And it's really good because you can run through the vocabulary that's in it. So say you can pick a category. So we'll say science and technology, drones, and yeah, so you go through the vocabulary, and then that vocabulary is in the article. So we read the article, and then there's lots of questions down the end for discussion.
Yeah, on the cambly tutors teaches me like this lesson where first of all they say read out this paragraph, and after that below the paragraph there are lots of questions, so I will have to answer. Yeah.
And it's an opportunity to discuss them with your tutor as well. So it's a conversation topic then to have.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is always good.
Yeah, good. And sometimes doing lesson is good for me because in general conversation, if tutor just ask repeated question about your name, your hobbies, your work, so sometimes it feel little bit boring to me.
Yeah,
So
yeah. I
yeah,
guess if you are if you don't have just one tutor and you're kind of changing tutors, because some people like to do that, they like to just pick a new tutor. You can just say at the start of the lesson, so I want to read this article today, or I want to do a lesson, and just tell the tutor that that's what you want to do today, and just say, yeah, my name is, I'm from here, and now I'd just like to do a lesson instead of free conversation. And anytime a student comes to me with that, I have no problem with that at all. So you can try
yeah,
that next time.
yeah, I must try.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Well, I think we're just about coming to our time. It was lovely to meet you.
yeah, same here.
Mm. And I hope, yeah, everything goes well on here with you for Cambly, and that you continue to get more fluent. And if you want to book in with me anytime, feel free.
Yeah, so send your link. I must schedule
Okay.
again.
I, I will send you a message after this lesson is over, and I'll send you my reservation schedule.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye, Brijesh.
Bye.
Take care. Bye bye.